As you can see, I'm out in my backyard on the Green Garden Memorial Garden trying to get this area cleaned, weeded, and get it ready for planting. So what my mission is today is I'm going to try to weed this whole area over here and get it back to where it's looking presentable. And then I am going to try to situate the pots and stuff the way I want it, and try to figure out what I'm going to be planting where, because I have to go back and look at my garden plan. Because see, that's why it's so important for you to already have mapped out in your mind. For me, I have to put it on paper to know exactly what's going to go in what pot. So let me show you what I'm talking about. See over here, I've already started to weed some of this area because it's been nothing but, weeds. I'm telling you, you can never kill weeds. You think you can, but you can't. Somehow those suckers always seem to survive. As you can see, my Don Juan rose bush is starting to bud out. So I'm going to clean out this pot. I have some mums that are starting to grow back, and I have some creeping Jenny in there. I'm going to clean out my garlic bed, get all of that green weeds out of there, but my garlic is doing really good. And then I'm going to hooly hoe all the front of this area, all over here. I'm going to clean out all this area over here in this corner, and then I'm going to proceed to go. Let me show you guys something. This is what shock. I wanted to show you guys that dumpster chicken, but it flew away. And then I'm going to come over here and kind of like weed as much as I can over here. Move these grow bags to where I think I'm going to put them for their forever home. I think I'm going to put one grow bag on this cement slab here, and then I probably grow like some sugar snap peas or something out of that grow bag so it can have a trellis to where it can grow on. And then I have one more grow bag, and I'll find a spot for that. I'm going to change out my signs from Happy New Year to spring. Then I'm going to clean these pots. As you can see, I have my garlic here, but of course, my critters have been digging in there, but the garlic is still trying to hold its own. And then I'm going to clean this area up, rake this good, and then I'm going to clean this area because, again, this is another pot of my garlic. And then I'll rake around here, change out that sign, and then I think I'll leave that section back there because I never put anything back there. So it is what it is back in that corner. But look at the beautiful daffodils. They're coming up over there and they look so beautiful. So that just makes that corner look beautiful. And then I'm going to clean that pot out right there. And then I'm going to take this cauliflower that is not going to produce anymore. That's the gate, because it's kind of windy out here. Even though it's supposed to be 70 degrees, it's still a little chilly out here. And then I'm going to, like I said, pull that cauliflower out, rake over here. Hellebores is still looking good. And this looks pretty good with the tulips, and the irises are going to be coming up soon. Then I decided that I'm going to I put this gate around this green raised bed because Chunky has been over here eating my broccoli, as you can see. So I'm going to be pulling that out, and then I'm getting this bed ready to be planted. Haven't decided. Like I said, I have to refer back to my garden plans and see what I'm going to plant there. And then hopefully I'll be able to stop right at this hydrangea, which would be perfect. And then I'm going to switch out that sign too. So your girl will be working hard in her garden today. And then I'm going to just rake over here really nicely. I already have a tulip coming in that pot. And I'm going to cut back this astilbe, get rid of those spent stalks. And then clean up here. And then creeping thyme is starting to come back, which I'm happy about. And then we will be cleaning out this pot because I think I'm going to plant something over here. I think I'm going to put my my sorrel, red sorrel that Lisa sent me from Garden with Lisa. I think the Jamaican sorrel is going to go there in that container because I heard that that bush gets really, really big and bushy. And I think this would be the perfect pot for that. And then, boom, we'll be back just out here still cleaning up my area. I'm making progress. I'm trying to clean this area up, but I wanted to open up my compost bin and look, it is looking so good, you guys. Let me scoop up some of this and you guys can see. Look at that. That compost is breaking down really, really good. Look, all nice and rich. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these leaves that I have been raking up out here, and I'm going to add those to the compost. So just another check-in, but I'm getting there, you guys. After I clean up this whole area over here, then I'm going to start on my garlic bed. So let me get that rolling. To let you see, as I'm out here working, look what I'm seeing out here. Can you guys see the jet streams of the jets? They've been out here all day. I don't know if you guys can see it, but hoping you can. Well, I know there's a bunch of dumpster chickens around here too, but hopefully you can see it. I thought that was just so cool to see the little jet streams. All right, let me get back to work. There is a cardinal right there. See if I can zoom in so you guys can see what I see. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? To be able to be outside and watch Mother Nature, beautiful creatures enjoying the spring day just like we are. Beautiful. I love capturing this type of stuff on video. And then there's a robin somewhere up there. There he is. He's trying to be incognito, but he's right there posing like he's a statue. But at least this one is giving us some kind of a show. Just want you guys to see that. It's what I've been enjoying all day as I've been working in my yard. Beautiful cardinal. Guys, I have finished this area, cleaning it up. So that's my Don Juan rose. I weeded all below it. I cleaned out those pots. I cleaned out in front of my garlic bed. Cleaned my garlic bed out, and I fed it because you know garlic loves to eat. So they're heavy feeders. So y'all got to make sure you feed your garlic. And then cleaned out this whole area. And every garden, I don't care what they say, every gardener has a spot in their garden that houses all a little bit of their little hodgepodge. Well, my hodgepodge is my tomato cages and my hoops to go on my raised beds. So I cleaned out this area and I cleaned out all my flower pots because I'm going to put sunflowers in those pots because I want 2 sunflowers on each side of this gate. Cleaned out my wheelbarrow, and in my wheelbarrow, my daylilies are coming back, my dianthus, my Shasta daisies, my mums, creeping Jenny. So this is going to be beautiful, and I'll add a few more flowers to that wheelbarrow in the spring. All right, all my onions in this bed is cleaned out, and I think this year I'm going to put tomatoes in this raised bed. Yep. And then I cleaned out these pots, cleaned out this area. There's some more garlic. I fed them, raked and cleaned this out. I haven't put up my garden flags yet, but I will. And then I fed my onions over in this pot. This area is beautiful. And I have to put my flag over here as well. Daffodils are looking stunning as always. Corabelle is always giving me the business. Beauty, beauty, beauty. And then these pots are clean. I raked over here by the Helleborus. Arborvitae is looking good. And it's turquoise tire. Cleaned out this raised bed. Still don't know what I'm going to put in there, but Chunky gonna have an issue because he ain't gonna be able to get in this raised bed. I'm hoping. I don't know about the raccoons because you know they can climb. And then I pruned back some of my hydrangeas. I left the dried ones on because it still is beautiful. And I haven't put my sister's flag up yet. And then I cleaned out all of this area where the creeping thyme is coming in. Cleaned out that repurposed, reused pot that broke last summer, and I filled it with some beautiful soil, and I put in some creeping thyme and creeping Jenny, and I always put like a lantana in the middle, but we gonna see how much they are at the big box stores. If it's too much, then I'm gonna substitute it with something else. My beautiful mother-in-law's antique outdoor furniture that I just love, 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 because it just gives this section right here just a pop of elegance. And then cleaned out these pots, and this is the pot I'm going to put that Jamaican sorrel here. Thanks, Lisa. Woohoo! I cannot wait to plant it, girl. And so that is the end. Woohoo! I am done, done, done. Whew. Next area is going to be over here. That's going to be my next area where I'm going to clean. You see, I put all my tools and stuff down in the blue garden. So I'm going this way as I clean, as I go from the blue garden to the red garden, and then heading to the black and white garden. All right, guys, I'm exhausted. I'm tired. Your girl been working hard. So with that being said, as always, I'm going to leave you with something beautiful to look at. And you know what it's going to be. It's going to be that beautiful hellebore. All right, hellebore, give us that look. Woohoo! All right, you guys, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And Miss Renee will definitely see you in the next video. Take care, you guys.